Natural and home remedies for syphilis. STDs stand for sexually transmitted diseases, which is common infection caused by sex, oral sex, anal sex, and vaginal intercourse. Almost symptoms of STDs are not clear and they have great risk of transmitting to other people. However, you can feel some pain in pelvic, ulcers in genitals, penile discharge, vaginal discharge, etc. In this informative article, Cool.com will show you top 8 natural home remedies for STDs in both men and women. This writing is for informational purpose only, so you should go to see the doctor if the problem is severe. Top 8 home remedies for STDs in men and women. STDs are caused by different parasites, viruses, and bacteria. Actually, some STDs can trouble your fertility and some of STDs can spread through non-sexual contact such as childbirth, breastfeeding, contaminated tissues and bloods, etc. Here are top 8 natural home remedies for STDs you should discover right now. Now are you ready to find out those useful remedies are? Aloe vera gel. Aloe vera is a beneficial herb for your health. This ingredient has many advantages such as supplying minerals, vitamins, fatty acids, amino acids, supporting digestion, detoxifying, reducing inflammation, alkalizing body, improving hair, health, nail, and improving skin. You might not surprise about another function of aloe vera because it is one of the best home remedies for STDs because it can heal scars, wound effectively due to medicinal property. You can extract aloe vera juice and apply its gel to the wound, scars until it is dry. Make sure that you do not use aloe vera gel for open wounds and you should wear gloves to prevent disease spreading. Learn more, natural ways to treat genital warts. Tea tree oil. People use tea tree oil to cure acne, prevent lice, remove sticks, heal skin infections, reduce itchiness, cure fungus, get rid of skin tags, treat psoriasis, reduce asthma, heal insect bites, etc. The reason is that tea tree oil contains antibacterial property and it can use to reduce pain, relieve ailments and decrease itchiness from the problem. Simply, you apply the oil in affected region with a cotton ball. Alternatively, you can add some tea tree oil in bath water to relieve symptoms of STDs. Anthoclista. Anthoclista is a useful herb in medicinal industry and it is used to cure some health disease such as rheumatism, diarrhea, fever, dysentery, and STDs. The root of Anthoclista is good for treating STDs and the method is so simple. You just need to wash the roots of the herb, boil with water for 1 hour and drink a cup of this fluid once per day in several months. You also can take advantage of leaves and bark to use instead of the root. The fruit of Anthoclista is also good for healing disease. Suma. Being great in antibacterial property, Suma is worth being one of the most perfect home remedies for STDs. This natural herb can combat STDs as well as improve immune system very well. Like Anthoclista, you cook its leaves, bark, and roots with water and drink it every day to heal STDs. This is very useful for the diseases, especially syphilis and gonorrhea in men. As the result, you should not ignore advantages of useful herbs like Suma in treating sex problems like STDs. Baking soda or cornstarch. Baking soda is a useful ingredient in relieving ulcer pain, indigestion, heartburn, insect bites, hand cleanser, healing sunburn, etc. You have found another use of baking soda, used for healing STDs. This ingredient is not only helpful for your health, but it is also good for your beauty. So how to use baking soda for STDs treatment? You just need to sprinkle baking soda on the sores, wounds, or infected areas caused by genital or herpes or syphilis to reduce itchiness and inflammation. Cornstarch has the similar function, so you can replace baking soda by cornstarch if you want. Tea. Tea can help you prevent diseases due to tannin in this drink, particularly for people who get genital tissues. You should use tea to treat STDs at home. They are really helpful for reducing sores, itchiness, and inflammation. Simply, you brew back tea bags, let it cold and apply it on genitals to cure the problem. This is really good for genital warts and herpes. Leave it for some minutes and remove it. You also can use tea to wash affected areas to comfort your body. Ice cubes. Ice cubes are cheap home remedies for STDs that men and women can take its usefulness. We use ice cubes for some drinks and we can use them for some diseases like STDs. The method is to pack ice cubes in a bag and apply it on genital burn or sores. By the way, you will relieve pain, genital warts, and genital herpes completely. You can use this remedy several times during the day at home to get its effects. However, you should not abuse any method because it can cause side effect. Vinegar. Vinegar benefits are undeniable because it can help you lose weight, fight some bacteria, diabetes, reduce blood pressure, improve heart health, and prevent some cancers. For healing STDs, you should use a cotton ball and dab it into vinegar, apply it on the affected areas to relieve pain. You can replace vinegar with lemon juice or orange juice to get the similar effect. Moreover, you can use white vinegar or apple cider vinegar for relieving pain from STDs. Related articles on STDs. How to heal yeast infection naturally. How to prevent STDs. Useful ways to treat gonorrhea. If you want to get more useful and home remedies for many diseases, you might visit our main home remedies page. After reading the article about top 8 natural home remedies for STDs in both women and men, I hope that you have learned some useful ways to get rid of the problem naturally and effectively.